You've probably heard a lot about what introverts supposedly lack: loud personalities, constant energy, or a love for big crowds. But let's change the narrative. Today, we're diving into one of your greatest, often overlooked gifts: your emotional strengths. Trust me, they're a force to be reckoned with. Let's start with sensitivity and understanding. Introverts are natural listeners, and that's not just a personality quirk, it's a strength. You pick up on subtle emotions, unspoken words, and those little cues others don't see. This makes you a master at building meaningful connections and creating trust. Next up, emotional resilience. Introverts are naturally reflective, which helps them process emotions deeply and bounce back from challenges. Combine that with your thoughtful responses, and you've got a recipe for handling tough situations with grace. So, how can you make the most of these strengths? First, lean into your enlightened sensitivity. Listen actively and use it to build trust. Second, develop your resilience by reflecting on your inner strength and track record of success. Finally, don't be afraid to take your time responding. Your thoughtful communication is one of your greatest assets. In a world that feels loud and rushed, your quiet strength is exactly what's needed. Living out loud is a weakness. Embrace your emotional resilience, your sensitivity, and your thoughtfulness. These aren't just strengths, they're your advantage. For more introverted insights, check out The Strategic Introvert by clicking the link below.